Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to discuss how to avoid being overcharged as a newcomer in Canada. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, moving to Canada can be exciting, but it can also be expensive. Unfortunately, many newcomers end up paying more for services, products and even housing simply because they are new to the country. So today we will go over practical tips to avoid being overcharged and save money. So the very first thing you should know is to understand the market rates. Whether it's rent, groceries or mobile plans, take the time to research average prices in your neighborhood. Websites, local Facebook groups and online forums are good for learning resources. Knowing the typical range helps you avoid overpriced products and services. So that's very important, guys. Second is shopping around, or you can say compare multiple options. Never settle for the very first offer you get for anything. Be it your cell phone plan or membership for a gym or a club. Compare multiple options, okay, so that you can get a better deal for yourself. Many newcomers end up paying more simply because they didn't check alternatives. Look out for hidden fees. Always read the fine prints. Ask questions. Utility bills, banking fees, and insurance premiums often include hidden costs and clauses. Understanding these in advance helps avoid unpleasant surprises, right? Who wants to pay additional money? Avoid emotional or impulsive purchases. It's tempting to buy things immediately when settling in. However, newcomers sometimes buy overpriced items out of urgency. Take your time and check second-hand options too, or wait for sales so that you can save significantly on these items, especially for household like furnitures and all. Asking for recommendations is always good. Community groups and local friends are invaluable. Ask them about trustworthy service providers, affordable shopping options, and deals available in your area. Conclusion is this, avoiding overcharging is all with awareness and patience. With careful research, comparison, and advice from locals, newcomers can save hundreds or even thousands of dollars in their first months. So let me know, guys, what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.